This is where our list of the top 5 rapid egg cooker available for purchase this year comes in. As always, you can find all of the product links in the description below. And let us know which devices you'd want to see in our upcoming videos in the comments. Number 5. The Bella Rapid Electric Egg Cooker. A game changer in the realm of breakfast preparation. Streamlined breakfast solutions. The Bella Rapid Electric Egg Cooker is not just another appliance, it's a culinary companion designed to simplify your mornings. With its sleek and compact design, this device effortlessly integrates into any kitchen space, making it ideal for both homes and offices. Versatile cooking options. One of the standout features of the Bella Egg Cooker is its versatility. Whether you prefer your eggs soft-boiled, hard-boiled, poached, or even scrambled, this multifunctional appliance has you covered. With the ability to cook up to 7 eggs at once, it caters to individual preferences or larger servings with equal ease. Effortless operation. Gone are the days of monitoring boiling water or worrying about overcooking your eggs. The Bella Egg Cooker takes the guesswork out of breakfast preparation with its simple and intuitive operation. Just add water using the included measuring cup, select your desired cooking method, and let the appliance work its magic. The auto shut-off feature ensures perfectly cooked eggs every time, giving you the freedom to focus on other tasks while your breakfast cooks. Conclusion. The Bella Rapid Electric Egg Cooker transcends the boundaries of traditional kitchen appliances, revolutionizing the way we approach breakfast. Its seamless operation, versatility, and time-saving convenience make it a must-have for anyone seeking to simplify their morning routine. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, this innovative gadget empowers you to create delicious and nutritious meals with ease. Say goodbye to breakfast stress and hello to culinary brilliance with the Bella Egg Cooker. Number 4. The Electric Rapid Egg Cooker. By Evolup exemplifies this pursuit, offering a seamless solution to breakfast preparation. With its sleek design and advanced features, this appliance promises to revolutionize your morning routine. Unparalleled efficiency. The Electric Rapid Egg Cooker by Evolup is engineered to streamline the breakfast process, delivering perfectly cooked eggs in a fraction of the time. Its rapid heating technology ensures swift and efficient cooking, allowing you to enjoy your favorite egg dishes without the wait. Whether you prefer soft-boiled, hard-boiled, or poached eggs, this versatile appliance delivers consistent results with every use. Versatile cooking functions. One of the standout features of the Electric Rapid Egg Cooker is its versatility. Equipped with multiple cooking trays, it accommodates various cooking methods, including boiling, poaching, and steaming. This flexibility allows you to explore a wide range of recipes and experiment with different egg preparations, from classic breakfast staples to gourmet creations. Conclusion. The Electric Rapid Egg Cooker by Evolup represents the pinnacle of breakfast innovation, combining efficiency, versatility, and simplicity in one sleek package. Whether you're a busy professional seeking to streamline your morning routine or a culinary enthusiast eager to explore new recipes, this appliance offers endless possibilities. Say goodbye to breakfast hassles and hello to culinary convenience with the Electric Rapid Egg Cooker by Evolup. Number 3. The Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker. Achieving the perfect egg-centric meal has never been easier. Boasting a combination of versatility, simplicity, and reliability, this kitchen essential promises to revolutionize your morning routine. Seamless breakfast solutions. The Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker is more than just a kitchen appliance, it's a culinary companion designed to simplify your mornings. Whether you're a busy professional rushing out the door or a home cook looking to streamline meal prep, this versatile gadget offers a hassle-free solution to cooking eggs. Multifunctionality. At its fine-stone of the standout features of the Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker is its versatility. Equipped with multiple cooking trays, it accommodates various egg preparations, including hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, and even omelets. With the ability to cook up to 7 eggs at once, it caters to individual preferences or larger servings with equal ease. Conclusion. Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker is a game changer in the world of breakfast preparation. Its versatility, simplicity, and reliability make it a must-have for anyone seeking to elevate their morning routine. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, this innovative appliance empowers you to create delicious and nutritious meals with ease. Say goodbye to breakfast stress and hello to culinary excellence with the Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker. Number 2. Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker. Preparing a delicious morning meal has never been simpler. Boasting convenience, versatility, and efficiency, this innovative appliance promises to revolutionize your breakfast routine. Streamlined breakfast solutions. The Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker is designed to take the hassle out of cooking eggs. Whether you prefer them hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, or scrambled, this versatile appliance has you covered. With its rapid heating technology, it delivers perfectly cooked eggs in a fraction of the time, allowing you to start your day on the right foot without the wait. Multifunctional versatility. One of the standout features of the Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker is its versatility. Beyond cooking eggs, it can also steam vegetables, dumplings, seafood, and more, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. With multiple cooking trays and a convenient poaching tray included, it accommodates a variety of culinary creations, allowing you to explore new recipes and experiment with different ingredients. Conclusion: Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker is a game changer for anyone seeking to simplify their breakfast routine. Its versatility, efficiency, and ease of use make it a must-have kitchen gadget for busy professionals, families, and culinary enthusiasts alike. Say goodbye to breakfast stress and hello to delicious, nutritious meals with the Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker. Number 1. The Rapid Egg Cooker. Enjoying a delicious morning meal has never been easier. This compact and efficient appliance is designed to streamline the egg cooking process, offering convenience, versatility, and perfect results every time. Effortless egg cooking. The Rapid Egg Cooker takes the guesswork out of cooking eggs, whether you prefer them hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, or scrambled. With its innovative design, this appliance cooks eggs to perfection in just minutes, allowing you to enjoy a nutritious breakfast without the wait. Simply add water, place your eggs in the designated tray, and press the button. It's that easy. Versatile cooking options. Beyond traditional egg preparations, the Rapid Egg Cooker offers versatility that extends to other dishes as well. From steaming vegetables to preparing dumplings and seafood, this multifunctional appliance is a culinary powerhouse in a compact package. With the included poaching tray and omelette bowl, you can explore a variety of recipes and experiment with different ingredients to create delicious meals. Conclusion: Rapid Egg Cooker is a game changer for anyone looking to simplify their morning routine. Its efficiency, versatility, and user-friendly design make it a must-have kitchen gadget for busy individuals and families alike. Say goodbye to breakfast stress and hello to delicious, hassle-free meals with the Rapid Egg Cooker. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.